How to verify your OnlyFans account. Now, verifying your OnlyFans account is just around the corner, and this tutorial is very straightforward. So let's just get started. Just pull up any preferred web browser you want and head directly to onlyfans.com, and the process is going to be the same if you're using your mobile phone. Now, once you're here, you just have to make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Now, the number one key to activate or to fully verify your OnlyFans account is to set up your profile, your card, any of the subscriptions, and to complete your profile. So the first thing that you do is go to my profile, and then in here you just have to edit your profile. Select your avatar, and you'll have to choose on a decent name, and then you'll have to check your availability on your status right here. Now, once your profile is fully set up, then you'll need to add a payment method of your OnlyFans account. Fill out all these forms right here, the country, the state, the city, your complete address, and as well as your card details, including your email address, the name printed on the card, and the card number, and of course the expiration date of the card, and as well as the CVV or the CVV code. And once everything is fully set up, just have to pick the small circle right here and go directly to submit. Now, once you have fully set up your payment method and as well as your profile, then you just have to wait 24 to 48 hours from OnlyFans to provide you an email that your account has already been verified. So those are the things that you can go ahead and do for you to be able to verify your account on OnlyFans.